Hey everyone, it's Tracy with Weaver Design Company, and today I just wanted to share this with you. My wonderful great aunt gave this to me, and it's so cool. It's the Scientific American Architects and Builders Edition publication from March of 1893. Check this out. It is missing the cover, but we'll try to flip through this really carefully. Probably should be wearing archival gloves, but I just don't have any. Look how cool that is, though. Some old floor plans. If you follow my Facebook page at all, these are the types of houses I would love to visit. Just kind of walk around and see what's out there. I just love old illustrations like this. Antiques, anything from yesteryear. It's a cool fireplace advertisement. Hinges, another floor plan over here. This was published for architects, of course, engineers, carpenters, contractors. This would have been their equivalent of Architectural Digest back then. Of advertisements. And you may have to pause it on the screen to read some of these. Plate glass, hot water heaters, ornamentation ads, bathtub, railing, Western Electric Company. It's so cool. I just love this kind of thing. Metal ceilings. Plaster. Machinery here. Those are scroll saws if you're a carpenter. Some more woodworking machinery ads. It's pretty cool, guys. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you, and I just wanted to thank you for watching some of my videos. I'm new to this, so just bear with me and it'll hopefully get more interesting for you. But if you have any ideas of what you'd like to see design-wise, please let me know, and I'll see what I can do. Thank you.